11 years ago, I was 50 grand in the hole, eating ramen noodles and making bad decisions. Today, I'm on my third cabin out here, which probably means I'm making different bad decisions. But this crooked little fairy tale thing right here, yeah, I don't even know what it is. It might work or it might not, but that's part of the fun of it. This is cabin number 3 for me. The first one stays rented pretty much nonstop, and you can see it here. The second one, me and my brother are playing the long game on that one. It's a beauty. It sits on top of a hill, it's got a pond and a bunch of ducks. But this crooked little fairy tale thing, I don't even fully know what it is yet. I just know it feels like the right next step. The exterior is almost done, and by almost done, I mean, I walked around this thing looking for tools and different things 50 times and pointing out stuff I need to fix. But honestly, for a cabin that looks like it might fall down at any given moment, it's starting to come together. The windows nearly broke me. Me and Harold made them all from scratch. They swing open to the inside like fancy European ones, except neither one of us are European, and we're definitely not fancy. They're all custom though, hand cut, slightly crooked, and honestly, they're a part of what makes this cabin special. The loft floor is in, which is great. I just haven't built the ladder yet, which is less great. The inside's still wide open, floors aren't down, kitchen needs everything. It's a working mess, you know. The bones are here, and I'm married to this mess. But trust me, I've been married to a bigger mess than this. Bathroom's almost done. Didn't film much of it, mostly because I was stumbling over my tools and the camera. So here are some pictures, proof that I actually did it. This cabin's fully off-grid. I built a little shed, tossed a water tank in there, hooked up to an EcoFlow solar generator, slapped a panel on the roof, then I ran me a water filtration system. Now I just need to work on my water catchment system. So basically, I built a tiny utility company in a box, and shockingly, it works. In case you were wondering if I'm human by doing all this stuff, well, I about took off the tip of my finger with the hammer. And I'll tell you what, that was not any fun. That's a raccoon. But that part, I don't know what that is. I didn't set out with some big plan. I was just trying to crawl out of a hole and build something that worked. Somewhere along the way, a couple dogs showed up, and an old fellow trusted me with his land. And these cabins just kept happening. Maybe it's a retirement plan, or maybe it's just the first time in a long time that I actually feel alive. Either way, it beats where I started.